We have never talked about this app, which is available for both iOS and Android, but it can make you quite a decent amount of money online. As you can see, this person made this amount of money, along with this person over here with a few $1,000s. Then this person made a couple of $100s, and the list goes on. Now, if you stay until the end of the video, I will show you how you can do this better than them, make more money, and get everything done for you for absolutely free. It becomes pure passive income, and all you need for today is a smartphone device and internet connection. Literally nothing more than that. So grab your phone and get ready because we are starting as soon as you drop a like to this video. Leave a thumbs up down below so we can hit 1,500 likes as soon as possible. Just take a second to tap the like button down below. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. Now, this is an absolutely free platform where you can get everything done for yourself so you can make money without doing the hard work yourself. So I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can use this platform at the end of the video. But first of all, let's check out the app which is actually going to pay you before I show you how you can get everything done for you for absolutely free with this tool right here. Anyways, this is the app which we will be using. It's gonna allow you to make money just by simply uploading your videos and photos. So simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash, and you don't need a professional camera for this. In fact, as you can see, these are all beginner-friendly photos. They were taken with a phone only. Like this is a selfie. And these images are making thousands of dollars in pure passive income. Now, if you actually stay with me all the way until the end of the video, I will give you an absolutely free platform where you can get those images done for you, so you don't even have to take them with your phone. You will not have to take those pictures and those videos yourself because everything is going to be done for you. Now, this is over at foapp.com. This is their official website, but they do have an app that is also available for both iOS and Android, so it's inside of both the App Store and Google Play Store. Foapp.com is being visited by 250,000 people every single month, which means people use this website on a regular basis, and a good amount of them are coming from the United States. Now, how does foapp.com actually work? Well, all you have to do is upload different images to their website, and then agencies, brands, and other people will come over to this website to buy those stock images which you have previously uploaded to this website. Something like this. They can now buy those images, and Foapp will split the revenue with you 50-50. They will split the revenue with you because they will promote those images for you. They will drive traffic, and they will do the selling, delivering the image. They will do everything. All you have to do is upload an image to this website and forget about it. You can then come back to collect your earnings again and again because it's all pure passive income. And as you can see right here, they will be sharing the profit 50-50 with you. And if you open up any of these images, let's say for example, you open up this one. This is a cute dog image. It's selling for this amount, and mostly they're selling for $10 or sometimes even more than that, which means if you have uploaded this image, whenever someone buys it, you will get $5 per sale. You will not have to do the shipping, nothing, literally nothing. You just need to collect $5 from that person, and since it's a digital product, you can sell it again and again for unlimited times. The more images you upload, the more money you will make because one image can make you a lot of money. Like if you got 10 sales of this image, you would make $50 from it. If you get 100 sales, that's $500, and down the road that can actually happen because you can get sales then in the next couple of weeks and months, and even years because it will stay on this website forever. And if you upload 10 images that make you $500, that's $5,000. And the website which I'm about to share with you allows you to get thousands of different images which you can then re-upload to this website and have a high chance of making a decent amount of money because these images are not super high quality. They're not professional, but they're still making a decent amount of money. But just imagine if you have uploaded some really professional high-resolution images, then you stand way better chances of making more money. Besides just uploading those images, you can also complete different missions which are available on a daily basis. So on a daily basis, you will get these new missions that you can complete, which will also make you a pretty decent amount of money. For example, this one is going to give you $700 in a reward. This one can make you $600. This one, $400, $100, and so on and so forth. With these new missions, you can earn extra money and you can actually get paid a lot more. There's not a lot of missions, but they should refresh every single day. And every single day, you should be able to get into new missions so you can make some extra cash with this. even if it's only $100 a day. Now, if you're asking yourself how exactly will you collect your earnings from FOAP? Well, here's exactly how it works. You go to Settings, you will set up your cash out settings by entering your PayPal email address, so yes, you will get paid directly to PayPal as soon as you get a sale. You can instantly cash out and instantly spend your PayPal money on whatever you want to. So no points, no coins, but real cash, which you can then spend wherever you prefer. And if you're wondering if this actually works, well, you can just take a look at this PayPal payment right here, which is this amount. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. Now, in order to start making money by using foap.com, you will need to install their absolutely free app to your smartphone device. You will either go to Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on which device you have, whether it's an Android or iOS, and install the app. You will search for FOAP, or you will just go over to foap.com and select the Google Play or App Store. This is how it's going to look like. This is their logo, and you'll just need to install it by clicking this button, Install It, to a smartphone device. Sign up as a creator for absolutely free, and it will take no more than 60 seconds, and you can start uploading different images, so you can start collecting passive income from them. The more images you upload, the more money you will make. Now, as I said, you can even take those photos from your phone. Only, you don't need a camera for this, and you just need to open up a camera on your phone. And you can take pictures all around you. Go to nature to take pictures. Go take a picture of your dunk, or your cat, or whatever pet you have. Go ahead and take a picture of your ice cream, your food, the sunset, whatever you think would look nice, and just upload it to FOAP. Try out the different images. You can start with different images. It's free to upload them, and each image you upload can make you a decent amount of passive income. But if you don't want to take those images yourself, then you can simply go over to burst.shopify.com. And this is a platform where you can find lots of free stock photos with commercial use, which you can download with one click of a button and use on foap.com. You have all of these different categories like work from home, female photographers, coffee, women, home baking, fitness, ice cream, and so on and so forth. You can take all of these different categories, find lots of high-quality images, and re-upload them to FOAP. You can even make slight changes if you want to. You can change a little bit of the color grading, or maybe add some effects, but it's not necessary. You don't have to do that unless you want to. So let's say, for example, I want to take some forest images. All I have to do is click on forest right over here, or even just go over to the search bar and search for forest. So to search for these photos, I will type in, for example, forest right here, and that's going to give us all of these beautiful photos which we can use. These are really, really nice photos which we can download for absolutely free and use on FOAP. Let's say, for example, I really like this one. I honestly really like this one. All I have to do is download it by clicking on the high resolution button. So we obviously don't want a low resolution. We only want a high resolution. So we'll stand higher chances of making more money. Obviously, people will be willing to pay for a high resolution photo rather than the low resolution. So just click high resolution and it will be on your computer. I will close this for now. I can download some other images. I can go through them. Let's say, for example, I really like this one. I'll download it as well. As you can see, it's only one click of a button. Let's try and find some more. Maybe this one. I'll also download that one. As you can see, it takes no more than 5 seconds. You just need to click on it and it will be on your computer. You just need to go back to foap.com and upload those images. The more of them you upload, the higher chances of making more money you will have. Now, competition and focus are really, really, really big, and it's hard to make a decent amount of money with it. But I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you won't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.